do like bananas.
Eat them, man.
I am. See, look.
Outside you doing?
False start.
You're not morning kids. That's what's going on. You got the ball back?
Mm-hmm. What did I say?
He lost the ball, man. That fire missile.
Oh, who's that? Is that me?
No, that was that one kid.
Oh, yeah.
Godzilla.
What the?
Alright.
Go with that. Let me go out. Go throw it away. I ate it. You didn't eat it all. You got a whole other banana over there. Go throw it away.
A whole other banana.
Go throw it away.
Okay.
I saw that. That'll be like our memory right there.
Let's go, KJ! Let's go, KJ! Let's go, KJ! You let him get away from you, KJ! KJ, you are right by you!
Even drinking tea?
Touchdown. Move, boy. Man.
Go, you go!
Let him out! Let's go, KJ! Let him out!
Good block.
I love them, but man. Your sister. Who is it? Like you talking like well, most of the time.
Maybe that's the thing. You don't need to.
Go the flat. Relax, bro.
Ooh. What? Huh?
We're down.
No, we're up by 2 touchdowns.
We're up by 2, and they only have 2. So it's 2 to 4. Why? Whenever you want to use it. You can't leave it out there. This year. Well, my year.
Why is he on the floor?
Huh? Go to flats, man.
Yeah, roughing the passer.
Go, go. He's still going? Let's go, beach ball. Oh, that's holding maybe. 43's open.
That's all I gotta say. Yeah, they had to be so sweet.
Guard to him. Time to play defense. That's a stop. Different when you get hit and it shocks your will. Oh man, who is that kid? Dang. Lord, that shoulder was
Hampton.
yeah. Yesterday morning, when we were going to school. What the? Sunday?
Saturday, Sunday.
Oh. Yeah. Now what do you say? Look at Alec, he's not going anywhere. What's so funny coming from here? Touchdown.
There you go.
Move your hand, boy. Damn.
I think it's gonna be days for life in that damn church. Good tackle, boy. Man, that kid is good. That kid is good. Adrian! Yeah. I hope he gets something good. Go, go, go! Go, Adrian! Oh! Give it to that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Go again. Throw him that ball again.
Oh, why did you block him, Adrian?
I don't even know what he's doing at that point.
What, the kid too big, you can't block?
What's up? Man, my boy got good. Oh, where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Man, way to push though.
Coming your way.
Yeah, bro. That's like I didn't money all day.
Her morning service at 6.
Was it morning service like church?
Oh,
service?
prayer.
Prayer.
Well, you said service like it was church. I wasn't even talking about it. You find a way to talk about yourself, brother. You set yourself up, not me.
I don't set myself.
Wow. Touchdown. 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 Oh, good D. Oh, is he pushing it? Mr. Powell.
Oh, wow. He almost got it.
Touchdown.
What did I say? Too easy.
Too easy.
Extra point. Oh, that's Hicks. But whatever, you know. Hit that ball, man. What are you doing? Was it though?
Let's go. Good job, Jahari. Good job.
Ain't nothing wrong with crying.
Let's
Go,
go. Get
Amy,
him
go.
out. Get him out.
Good.
Get
Get him! Go, Adrian! Damn! Good job, boy! Damn! Oh my God! Boy, let me see how long it takes you to read this play. You don't really run anybody over. Adrian! Adrian! Are you watching? Oh, you're gonna hear it from me. You're gonna hear it. Get him! Where? Damn it, look at you! Oh, what the heck? Oh, there you go.
Why he keep looking back?
He saw his dad, that's why.
Adrian! There you go, shuffling your feet. he goes again. He's sloppy. Oh, man. That's a kick. That's a loss. No, block. Are you a block? A block. Oh, why are you throwing that, buddy? That's hard. Nope, you're not that type of guy. I just move. I see what he's trying to do. He's trying to do the really sweet move.
But I'm just saying, that's the only reason why he was able to do that.
Boy, if you don't get